destination, that is to Chennai, Kanyakumari, Bangalore, Mysore, Cochin, Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, enabled our students to enhance their knowledge about India's art and culture. The students did not enjoy the trip with their friends and teachers, but also learned to be the self-reliant and responsible. The Crescent family participated in various celebrations like Teachers' Day, Independence Day, and all other functions. On the occasion of 62nd Independence Day, students lined up to form the Teachers' Day. The students like to, on the occasion of the 62nd Independence Day, students lined up to form a tricolored flag to let loose the nearly 700 tricolored balloon. The spectacle of balloons up in the sky was worth watching. Fancy dress and elocution conducted on this day helped our children to learn more about our freedom fighters. Excellent is our aim to materialize this all-round development is essential to various competitions such as calligraphy, elocution, essay writing, recitation, dance, spellathon, enabled our students to sharpen their wit. In July, the students participated in the IT quiz organized by the Computer Society of India in Coimbatore. In September, the University of South Wales, Australia conducted the International Assessment Test in English, Science, Mathematics and Computer Science. Many of our people won the credential and distinctions. Reliance World organized an online elocution competition early this year. Our students excelled in their performance online. And Master Tendul of Standard 7 made it to the semi-finals out of 9,000 odd participants. Mass Intellectual Services organized Spell Bee competitions and nearly 95% of our participants made into the inter-school competition held in JSS Public School, Ooty, early this month. Sports and the game lubricate the body and mind. Crescent has now employed coaches to train our students in various track field events which include football, table tennis, basketball, cricket and athletics. I seek much pride in announcing that in the forthcoming academic year, Crescent would be a part of the inter-school athletic meet for English-speaking school to be held in MRC Ground, Wellington. On 29th August, 7th edition of Nilgiri District's Inter-School Athletic Festival organized by Good Shepherd International School enabled our athletics to elicit their best. Experience in need the best teacher of all, for involves one of the grasp the better understanding of any concept. Red Day, held in the play school, helped the teachers to promote the color consciousness among the kiddies. Healthy Food Day helped our children grow healthy conscious for their well understanding the ill effects of the consumption of the junk food resulting. Mr. Anandrao Patil, then collector, inaugurated and honored us by inaugurating the event. Thankful I am to all parents who contributed their kindly support by supplying us with a variety of tasty, healthy food. Crescent takes a special care to reward the students who perform extremely well in the academics and all those who secure 100%. You are seeing all the mementos to be presented to the children. You can see it in the left side of your stadium. The second batch of Standard 10 is toiling hard to excel in their board examination. We are confident that their hard work, teachers' guidance, and your best wishes would help them to do their best. In forthcoming academic year, Crescent would enhance its infrastructure with an addition of 12 classrooms, 3 separate labs, and hall which would accommodate nearly about 500 students. Not only that, we also have a hostel for boarders, a playground with tracks for athletics is also under construction. Crescent would prepare the first batch of Standard 11 for the public exam to be held in the March 2011. It's time for me to wind up. But before doing so, I would like to add the Crescent owes much of its success to the pillars of the institution, the staff. Their selfless dedication has helped the institution in all spheres. And of course, parents, you're also part of it. Thank you. Bye.
Their children to be with them. I request them to bring their children I request our chief guest to help us know what is it that enabled him to acquire so much of achievements in his life and help our children learn that what he has learned in his life. I request the chief guest to please speak a few words of encouragement that would instill greater faith and power in our children.
Good evening, namaskar, assalamu alaikum. I can also add Sasri Kal. I don't see a turban out here. If there is one, just raise your hand up there. Well, I have to start by saying, wow. You know what it means, wow? I'm sure all these kids know what is wow. Wow means awesome. Wow means excellent. Wow means terrific. You can add any word to that. But before I go any further, I would like to address the dignitaries who are present out here. Of course, to start with is the pioneer of the Crescent School, Ooty, Mr. Omar Farooq. Mr. Anand Patil, I hope I pronounced his name right, Anandarao Patil, yes. You see, this is what old age means. If I don't use the reading glasses, I mispronounce. Okay? Who's the guest of honor? And of course, the one and only, Srimati Malati Holla. I don't know, of course, there may be a lot of things which might slip off my shining and slippery head, but nevertheless, I'll try and convey as much as possible, though it was expressed that a few words. No doubt, I'm no speaker. It's only my experiences which I would like to share with one and all, my observations. What I do will be placed before you, of course, but before I do that, I would like to also address the dignitaries, the guest of honors, the special invitees, and of course, the parents who have come in large numbers to see their pride, their honor in the form of their children to perform to the best of their abilities. Indeed, I'm sorry about those who are standing in the middle. I won't take long. Obviously, you have a lot of cultural program and the prize distribution, which is going to take place very shortly. You'll be seeing your children receive glittering prizes, and as you have already seen, the tiny tots, absolutely colorful, stunning dances by those lower KGs, and the play school kids. My compliments to the staff